Hi there, it's Monica here, dietitian from BJC Health. And today I'm going to talk a little bit about how to manage eating healthy fats when you also want to look after your waistline. So I have a lot of clients say to me that they're a bit worried about eating things like nuts and seeds or having oil in their cooking when they're trying to lose weight, and whether it's okay to still have those things. Now, we know that there's a lot of benefit to having healthy fats in your diet. So I'm going to show you some of the portions that are recommended for the typical healthy fat foods that we want you to eat, because they can be great for cholesterol lowering, for lots of your vitamins and minerals, and in the case of nuts, even adding some really good quality proteins that help to satisfy you so that then it's easier not to overeat on food, and they can actually contribute to weight loss, not make you gain weight. So oil, for instance, and we really like our olive oils. This one happens to be a garlic infused one. A portion of that's about 1 tablespoon. So if you're going to make a healthy salad dressing with that or use it in cooking, it would be okay to use a tablespoon. I have some sunflower seeds here, and a serve of sunflower seeds is about 2 tablespoons or 1/4 cup, as well as nuts. So a serve of nuts is 30 or 40 grams, which is 1/4 cup. From a weight loss point of view, we normally say that up to about 15 nuts in most of the different types of nuts is about a portion, which gives you the 400 to 600 kilojoules for a snack value that a lot of dietitians would recommend if you're trying to lose weight. Now, we're not calorie counting, but it's nice to sometimes have a little bit of a benchmark of what we're looking for in a snack. So for example, something like these roasted fava beans, which have a great amount of unsaturated fat in them and a low amount of saturated fat, one portion of this has 470 kilojoules. So it works in with how much we can burn when we're trying to lose weight if we're doing some exercise. It helps to keep you satisfied. And the great thing is that it comes in the portion packs. So it's easy to keep to one portion and not buy the bag, where it's quite easy also to eat quite a lot. Natural nut butters, we like natural nut butters, and a tablespoon is a serve of that. And unfortunately, I didn't have an avocado with me today, but a serve of avocado is 1/4 of an avocado that you can add to salads or your sandwiches as spread, or just to have on toast for breakfast in the morning. So we like good fats. These are a really good example of ones that you can include in your diet, and some of the portion tips to help you keep your overall calorie intake where you can still lose weight at the same time.